Seek alternative investments. One asset class that's growing in demand is diamonds. Transactions for the gem are rising in Asia, Central Europe, and Russia. And the newly formed Singapore Diamond Investment Exchange is capitalizing on the trend.
This vault is located in the Singapore Freeport, a highly secured storage facility with its own duty-free zone next to Changi Airport. And it's where the Singapore Diamond Investment Exchange stores diamonds, such as this 4-carat stone worth some $220,000 on behalf of its customers. 90% of its clients are Europeans, based mostly in Central Europe and Russia.
The demand for consumption diamonds keep going up, 10%, 12%. It's now shifting to India and China mostly. This is where the growth is.
The firm wants to grow its Asian clientele from the 10% in 2013 to 30% this year, focusing on customers from Hong Kong, China and Southeast Asia. It's working with institutional partners to market diamonds as an alternative investment asset class.
As investment banks pick up in their activity, probably not until the third, maybe fourth quarter, we'll start to see that new cash come onto the market, and those individuals will put it in real estate, they'll put it in other assets, but they'll also put it in diamonds.
Prices of polished diamonds fell about 1.6% on year in 2013, but Indian diamond group Rosy Blue expects prices of rough and polished diamonds to rise 4% this year.
Supply constraint, continues to happen in the industry, and the issues are going to be, how do you compete in that very, very competitive environment. We think we'll be trading about 8 to 10% more than last year. And therefore, of course, we'll look at every opportunity to buy more than what we did in 2013.
Meanwhile, SDIX says there's no risk of its trades being used to fund illicit activities.
We only deal with accredited investors, so the entry point level is $1 million. We follow the same procedures and guidelines that the private banks would have to for MAS. So we have extensive due diligence and what we call KYC forms for our clients.
After a slew of high-profile auctions of colour stones last year, the firm says it'll increase its portfolio of colour diamonds from about 4% to 10% this year due to rising demand.